Welcome to the Calf Hero AutoFill station by Golden Calf Company. Our goal is to make colostrum testing of quality and quantity easy and repeatable on every dairy. First, let's take a look at our software. This is our home screen, the basic version of it. As you can see in its basic functionality, it has the colostrum quality. This value is coming directly from the inline refractometer, and we have it color coded according to the settings that each customer can choose in the settings menu. Quality above 22 in this case shows up as green, and quality below 18 shows up in red. We also have the 3 different sizes, so 2 liters, 3 liters, and 4 liters. These are the most common amounts dispensed and match the Calf Hero colostrum bags, which are also color coded to match with the icons. Once again, helping visually adhere to protocols. We typically see the low quality colostrum dispensed into 2-liter bags. So with the press of the go button, we measure 1 liter and 2 liters because those lower qualities are used for second feedings. For our high quality, we typically see those going to the first feeding, so a 4-liter bag. And once again, 1 liter, 2 liter, 3 liters, 4 liters. The 3 liters are typically used on dairies that have Jersey cows or that choose to do multiple feedings within a shorter time span. So maybe every 4 to 6 hours do a 3-liter colostrum feeding. And once again, by pressing the go button, we can measure out 1, 2, and 3 liters. This can then be easily viewed in our information screen. So the data login screen, as you can see, we have the 2-liter bag with the lower quality colostrum, the 4-liter bag with the higher quality colostrum, and then the 3-liter bag right in the middle. Our cow ID in this case is showing up at a 0, but that's something that we can easily change in the settings for customers that choose to use the ability to track the cow ID. And when we go back to the home screen, then our cow ID shows up on the home screen and we can enter in the ID tag of the animal that we collected the colostrum from. And once we collect the colostrum, in this case our 3 liters, it will actually generate a feeding ID at the end. So what that allows us to do is to connect the information from the cow that we collected the colostrum from, write it on the bag, and then be able to report on it. So as you can see on this Brix information, we now have the cow ID. We collected 3 liters, which is our medium quality, at 20.6% Brix. This information would be most useful if we were able to export it. So of course, that is something that we built into the software. You can go to the email logs and actually send the information to yourself. The information is sent in a CSV file that identifies the feeding ID. So it identifies the cow ID, which is the animal that we collected the colostrum from, labels the feeding ID so that it matches the bag that we collected it. And at that point, it's very easy to upload it from the CSV file into your herd management database to be able to connect it to the newborn calf that you just fed. And of course, we have the Brix values. We also collect what type of bag or the amount that you dispensed, as well as the threshold that you identify as the high quality or the low quality, so that can be easily monitored as well.